Hello everyone, it's your favorite Japanese teacher and a coach and an instructor, Toshi. Today we're gonna go into Amazon Fresh store in Woodland Hills, Los Angeles. Amazon Fresh store is just 3 minutes by car, very easy to get there. So let's go shopping. 買い物に行きましょう。買い物に行きましょう。Casual form is 買い物に行こう。One more time. 買い物に行こう。Let's go shopping. Here I came Amazon Fresh store in Woodland Hills, Los Angeles. So before I go into the store, Amazon in Japanese is Amazon. Amazon. Okay? Actually, store is huge. So when I enter, this cart is we have to pick it up. And then we scan my Amazon Prime account, then automatically signing in. And then we can start shopping. So today I wanna buy some strawberry, ichigo. So put in the cart, カゴに入れる. And then put in the cart and automatically sensor on it, and then they catch it and then show on the screen right away. Next section is vegetables. 野菜 Okay, I'm gonna buy the broccoli today. Broccoli. And I have to put on PLU cord. And put on that in the cart. It has a scale in the cart and check that how many pound measures it. That's 1 pound 74. Just accept. Let's go to the next. 次に行きましょう。And then I'm gonna buy the dressing. This Amazon dressing is delicious, so I'm gonna buy it and then just see what I bought right now. So you can see the total, so you don't overspending, and then you can check what you got in the cart right now. Banana, it's called banana. So banana too, you have to put on PLU cord, and then how many? 7 pieces. 7本 Just only 175. That's good. I really like this store. It's huge and very clean and fresh. So I saw the ground beef. It's called minchi. So, but changing my, I don't wanna buy it. Then sensor catch that I took off. Then automatically remove from my cart. That's so lit, isn't it? Next is egg. Tamago. Look around in a store. お店を見て回りましょう。お店を見て回ろう。アイスクリームセクション、アイスクリーム or アイス、メディシン、薬、デタージェント、洗剤。Sandwich in Japanese is サンドイッチ。サンドイッチ。ヨーグルト、ヨーグルト、ヨーグルト。ジュース、ジュース。ジュース。Milk is ミルク or 牛乳。牛乳。ピザ、ピザ、ピザ。Time to self-checkout. So I have a $20 off coupon today, but I don't know how to scan it. But nice employee, they help me, and then so I don't have to go through the cashier. Automatically charged to my Amazon account, and then receipt coming to my email. Even a Prime member get 30% off, and I got $20 off today. That's good. Thank you, Amazon Fresh. I'll be back soon. また来ます。Thanks for watching. Bye for now.